Hi, this is Kevin with KGMG. I'm owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. Okay, here we are, day 64 of my $10,000 Splinterlands challenge. This is a personal thing, as they are not sponsoring this or know anything about it type thing. It's just something I wanted to see if I could do in a year's time. And then about a month into it, I decided to start making videos of it. And I'm going to make, when possible, a video every day. And so, like I said, it's day 64. This is what I've invested in it. Now, a lot of that's been from buying packs, and you don't need to buy packs for what I'm doing. You can see that when you're watching these videos, but it also, videos are fun, or packs are fun to open. Like, people like watching people open packs. I like to open packs. So I figured, as part of my expense, I'm going to buy one pack a day, which by the end of the year is going to add up. But even so, if I get to 10,000 with what I'll end up investing, I'll be fine. It's very transparent. Every day I put the numbers out here, the value, the number of cards I got, my PowerPoints, my SPS, and my profit. So as of right now, today, now things are really down. It's the worst they've been since I started a couple months ago. Just, like the rest of the world is. So if I sold everything right now, though, as bad as it is, I still would walk away with $360 roughly. So that's before taxes, but still, wow. This number right here, the PowerPoints, you always want that number going up. Now, I was a high of 80,000, and I changed my strategy in some of the past videos here in the past week. And so I took a hit on the power, but it's paid off because I'm doing better in battles. And you can go back to the other videos to see what I did. I won't go over that. Well, I might mention it. So at the beginning of every video, I do the fun stuff. I claim my reward and I open a pack. And that way, if you're following it, the rest of the video is going to be me explaining how to make money for new people. And feel free to leave a comment if I'm not doing something right, or if you got an idea or whatever. But if you appreciate what I'm showing you, the link's below. Like and subscribe. Join underneath me because I'm part of the affiliate program, and just enjoy. So let's do this fun stuff. I did my 5 battles for the day. This is a daily quest, and now that I'm silver, which is the highest I've ever been. I've been silver 3 before, but never this high. And I'm working my way to silver 2. And in order for me to do that, I got to increase my power, so that, because right now it won't let me get past silver 3. But anyway, that's another day. So let's open up the 2 chests. Chests are a way you can do the quest every day to build your asset value up. The only money you have to pay is, you can join for free and play for free, but if you want to open up the entire platform, you need to pay $10 entry fee. It's called the spell book. It's a one-time fee, and then everything else you can do for free if you want. I got a rare card today. See how that works? That's incredible. And of course, the higher up you go, and I got a potion. This helps me get a better chance of getting a legendary card when I open a pack. But to get one of these is very nice, because it's all you did was do the quest, so you don't have to open packs to get cards. Now, the higher you go, the better the rewards are, and when you get high enough, you start winning packs within the chest. So you, like I said, once you get high enough, you don't even really, if you don't want to, open packs. Opening packs can speed it up big time. So let's go over here and open the pack for the day. I'm buying 2 packs every other day because PayPal will only let me put in $10 minimum. Here's my pack that I had already bought, and that's why I didn't add to the total today. And you want to have potions that you can buy in the store. Each potion is per card. There's 5 cards per pack. So you want 5 and 5. That's legendary gold. It doubles your chance for each card to be a gold, a legendary, or both. Okay. And these are if you open different kind of packs. So I'm not worried about that right now because I'm not even messing with that. So let's go ahead and open today's pack. You get 5 cards. You're guaranteed on a pack at least a rare or higher. And I'll be honest, my best 2 cards I've ever pulled since I've been doing this was without potions. So you don't have to have a potion to get a nice gold card. Now, that's probably my rare, which you're guaranteed. Um, any of these can be gold, but these are all common. So the best these could be is a common gold. So let's do the commons first. I use this guy all the time, but I got him in gold version. These two are excellent cards. And I use, these are fillers, the one, they still have a place. And now let's open this. This is my last chance for a gold, but it is a rare. He's a good one. So see, the potions don't guarantee a gold or a legendary. They help. But like I said, without any potions at all is when I pulled my best two cards. So there's the proof you don't need to have that. Now what I'm going to do with these cards, since they're NFTs, I'm going to destroy them. I'm going to combine them, destroy them, and make more powerful cards. Every time I do that, it helps out everybody because it makes this card more rare. There's less in circulation, and it makes my cards more powerful. So it's a team effort. When you're burning cards, it does everybody good. It's up to your strategy, though. You're going to do what's best for you, of course. So there's the fun stuff. Now let me show you. See, I still got that one potion that I won in the chest. Let me start. Now it's all the ways you can make money. Affiliate program. This is, I got over here and I started doing it, and then I fell in love with the game, and now I'm a fan, a player. But you can come over here and you'll get a link that you can promote. And if people sign up underneath it, just like these people have, then if they ever join up underneath you, like I've had one person do so far, and I got 5% of his purchase price, and I'll get 5% of all packs that he purchases for the rest of his life. If you do this, don't get upset if nobody's doing anything, because I'm an affiliate marketer, and what I found, we call these sleepers, because you'll sign them up, and for some reason, all of a sudden, 6 months later, they'll just start playing. Who knows why, who knows what, but the point is you've accumulated them under you so that if that does happen, you get credit for it. Okay? So there's one way to make money. The next way to make money is you battle every day and you get the free chest. You saw that I got a rare card and I got a regular or a potion. And the higher up, I'll get even more chest. Another way is twice a month, they have a season, 15 days long. And the higher up, the more chest you get. So at the end of the month, 9 more days or the season, I'm going to get, if I stayed where I'm at right now, I'm going to get 12 chests, which is going to have all sorts of goodies in it. It has DC, it has, I'm too high for credits now, and cards, packs, all sorts of stuff that you can, again, you're not having to invest any of your money if you don't want to. Investing your own money is going to speed it up because you'll be able to go into the shop and buy cards. You have more control over what you get, or you can buy packs type thing. So there's another way that you're going to make money. On the DEC crystals, the best way that I've done really well is buying and selling in the market. And what I do is I go to a site called Splinter Cards, and I look up for that day what card has dropped the most. And then I buy it. Well, why are you going to buy a card that dropped? Because it's at a discount. Okay. I mean, there's some other factors, and I'm not a financial advisor. Listen at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. But once you learn the market, you can do good at it. And what I do is I try every day to buy $5, $10 in cards, sell them, and with the profit, I reinvest it, and it turns into DEC, and I reinvest it, and just it's a cycle. Another way is you can win DEC out of the chest. You win DEC while you're battling. Every victory, once you're over bronze 2, you win DEC, and that gets higher and higher. There's guys winning 20 DEC a victory when they're real high up type thing. So you can add up and then use it to invest. So there's another way. I also rent my cards out. You can rent them out, make DEC that way. You're starting to see all the different ways and all the different strategies that you can use. See, here's all my last battles. I won that last one, lost that one, won. I started out my first, and that was just, let's just show you real quick. So now let's go over to the shop. Another way that you're going to make money on this site or get to build your thing is for every pack you buy, you qualify for the airdrop. So I have 81 packs right now. Every million cards or packs that they sell, they open up a legendary card that they will give you for free. And it's a small percentage per pack. So technically, I could get 81 cards of the next drop. Okay, I got 2 of her. I didn't get none of her, none of these 2, and I wasn't eligible because I hadn't bought any packs for these 3. So there's another way that you can increase uh, that. And let's go back to the shop and see how many more they need to sell. 269,000, 270,000 more, and they'll have the next drop. So I'm waiting. Okay, so another way to make money, every day they drop for right now for another 150 days roughly, they're going to be dropping free SPS. Okay, and that's in addition to everything else. So right now I've gotten from them for doing absolutely nothing but except what I've been already doing, $42.40 in value of SPS. Now that was at a quarter when I joined. It's now down to 11 cents or 12 cents. So this is fluctuating, but I'm staking it. There's another way to make money, 30% APR, and every minute I'm accumulating more SPS. If this thing ever gets up to $1, $10, $100, I have gotten all this SPS for free, and so can you for the next 150 days. I don't know what they're going to do after this ends. Are they going to continue it, change it? I don't know, but take advantage of it while you can. This is how they figure out how much you get, is they figure out, they do a snapshot, and they add up all the numbers, and that number is determined how much you get, okay? The other way that you're getting even additional things, as if they don't have enough already, is depending on how much you staked, you get vouchers. And these vouchers you can sell, or you can use them when they have uses for them. Like they just had them that you could get and buy packs early on the chaos drop before they opened it up to the general public. So there's another way. Now the market's your big guy. That's where you can really do well. Like when I pulled out that golden legendary in my first 24, 25 packs, I could immediately have sold it for $150 it was going for at the time. And I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. I don't want to. But the packs cost me $100. So I would have had all those cards, $50 extra, and I could have bought another 25 pack and kept going, but I didn't do that. But that's a strategy. If you so desire to do that, you could have. But I'm thinking there's really legendary gold is about as best as you can get. And I'm just going to sit on all my, I'm renting them out. In fact, I'm not even using them in battle. I like to use the death card. So if he was a death legendary, I'd probably be using them. But right now I'm just renting them out. So here it is. These are all the new cards. There's 2 cards that come out right now. Rewards, which you get in the chest. And then you got the Chaos, which is the new packs. Just like Yu-Gi-Oh! If you ever played Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon, you know how they come out with cards, retire them, come out with the new cards, and they get more valuable. Well, right now these are cheap because 1, everything's down, and 2, they're new. And what's happening with these cards is every day people are buying them, combining them, destroying them, and making they're less in circulation because there is a finite number. There's like, I think it's 2 million for these, maybe less. And so once they're all out, that number will just slowly go down over time and the card will go up in value. And here's the proof. These are the new ones. Let's go look at the oldest ones. They've been around for about 3 years. Here we go. And this one right now is the most expensive foil card. There's only 83 left in existence. It's $20,000 a piece for this one. Now, this might be a maxed out one, but you get the idea. The less there are, the more expensive they get. Let's go to the gold legendary. We'll find out what that most expensive one is. Now, remember, 3 years ago, they were getting these out of packs for $2, and they're seeing these kind of returns. Okay, the most expensive card right now, and he either took it off the market or somebody bought it, but the most expensive one's 75,000. There's one and a half, and there was only 8 of them or whatever. And but when nobody's selling them, you don't see them, which means there's more gold that they're just not selling. But this one, just like in the foils, 75,000. There's only 7 left in existence, and there's only one person selling it. If you see it and there's no red flag, that means there's only one person. Here, there's only 2, but there's 25 left in existence. So, and the one they just came out with, they just dropped this one as a special thing. There's only 20 of them in existence. There's only 2 people selling. $20,000. Now it costs like 7 to buy it, so that if you are familiar with Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon, the thing they had going for them when I got involved because of my girlfriend's kids, and I got hooked on it because we played all the time. But they kept something for everybody, just like what they're doing here on Splinterland. You got the cards that the parents can afford to get their kids, or the kids can actually buy in the packs. And then on the other end, you got the investors with the big money. And then everything in the middle. Same concept, same thing. You're going to have something for everybody. So this is obviously for the big boys, for investors. And but it's nice to have it. I like to see stuff like that. I love where this platform is going. I think it's going to be in the top 5% of things that are around in 5 to 10 years, unlike most of this stuff, which will not be. And that's why I do it. Okay, so there's the proof that the cards go up in value. I showed you that if you destroy them and combine them, you get more powerful and rare. So let's go to peak monsters. Now this went down a little bit. It's always adjusting, but this is the total value of my card collection, and that's my points, and this is what I'm getting a day in rental. So I can take this rental pay every day, and it costs about 10 DEC to get a 3-cent card, so I can buy 10 cards every day from renting out the cards that I get to keep while they're waiting for them to go up in value. Absolutely incredible. But this is kind of a quick video today. If you got any questions, leave below, and if you like what you saw, sign up underneath me. It helps me out on my link below, and please like and subscribe and see how I do on this for the next I got 10 more months, right? And then you can watch the videos are nice because you can be able to see what I did right or what I did wrong, and it's going to prove, I'm already proving you can make money on it because I've pretty much doubled my money. After I pay myself back, I'm still going to have 350, 400 bucks, and that's what I got invested roughly. So and I'm waiting for it to pop here when the rest of the economy kicks in, which will one day. We'll see what happens. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.